Dad.
What?
And we get a pumpkin. It's pumpkin season.
A pumpkin? What do you need a pumpkin for?
I want to carve one.
You mean like turkey dinner?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Come on. So we got 2 pumpkins over here in their native habitat. We've been seeing pumpkins by people's doorways all month long. They're just everywhere around here. So we found out it's pumpkin season, and that they're in season, we can hunt them. So we're gonna be hunting these with these Aboriginal Carlies. All right, so we got ourselves a pumpkin. This is one thick, tough pumpkin here.